Today we are going to work on our alphabet craft, letter E. E is for egg. You will need a piece of paper or your book if you're using your book. We are using the backs of our paper, so you probably have your dinosaur on the back, and you're going to turn the page or turn your page over, and on the other side you will have E is for egg. If you don't have E is for egg yet glued on, you can glue that on now. You also need your E is for egg lettercraft paper. Mine is colored already. Yours is not. Yours is all white. And what you can do if you need to pause this video to color is you push the space bar, that long bar, and that on your keyboard, and that will pause the video. I colored my E yellow because it's going to be a chick or in the egg, and this is going to be his wing, so I colored that yellow, and I colored his beak orange, and I didn't color the eye, and I didn't color this part because it's going to be the egg. So push the space bar and pause the video, and you may color, and then when you come back we will cut everything out and put it together. All right. Welcome back if you left to color, and I am going to cut out the letters. Remember, I have my thumb in the little hole and my fingers in the big hole, and I'm carefully cutting, poking my scissors pointing up, and I'm turning the paper, not the scissors. I'm turning the paper around, and I'm just making little cuts with my scissors. So this is going to be my chick. I don't need to cut out these parts because that would be really hard to do. I'm going to cut out my egg now, also still poking up. And being careful. This sometimes takes patience. We have to be persistent. Even if it's hard, we're still doing our best. I'm turning the paper and making little cuts with my scissors. So my chick is going to go down kind of in the middle of my paper, and then my egg is going to go over the top like the chick is hatching. So I could take my glue stick and glue this on before I cut the rest. Remember, I'm just going to turn my glue a little bit, and I will put glue on the back of the E first and stick that on. And then I will put glue on the back of my egg and stick that on. If I'm going too fast, remember, push the space bar and pause the video. Now I'm going to cut out the beak. And the eye. Little cuts, keeping my scissors pointing up if I can. Now, it's really hard to cut when I have all these tails, all these things. I can just snip it off like this, and then I can make little cuts to go up, and I'm cutting out my wing. All right, so now I'm going to take my scraps and put my scraps over to the side. I'll put them in the recycling bin later. And I'm going to, oops, I missed a piece. There we go. All right, so now I'm going to have the little beak and the eye with a little wing. It looks like a little chick hatching out of the egg. So I can glue the beak on and the eye, and the wing. And I have finished. E is for egg. If you are one of Mrs. Stalkup's first grade friends and you want to add some words that begin with E around here, you can. You could write elephant or egg. Well, you don't have egg there. You could write anything that begins with the letter E. All right. Good job. Bye.